Hello, so I'm getting this running script disabled error when I was trying to run npm installed. So to show you again, let me just run the npm install again so you can see for yourself that I'm also getting this error here. So I'm just going to run npm installed, and it doesn't matter the script you are running. Now this happens to any type of script I run. So let's say I want to run something like for npm run dev. So this is still going to show me that same error. So this running script is disable error. Now this is no big issue, it's just what PowerShell security policy issue that is facing this, and it's easy to fix it. So to fix this, we just have to write some few commands here to fix it. So I have the command here to run. So what we have to do, we are going to assign a remote sign to the user, this current user that is using the PC now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the first command, and just so you know, I'm going to put all these command in the description for you so you can just copy and run them and follow along. So I'm just going to start with the first command, which is what we are going to set the remote sign to this user. So I'm going to just paste it right here. Now it has run already, so let's go ahead and get the policy and see. So I'm going to copy this also, the second one, and run this as well. So you can see we have the remote signed policy right here assigned. So now to confirm that, you can just use the third one to see if the remote sign is what applied to this current user. So I'm just going to copy the last, which is the third command, and paste here as well and enter. Now if you look at this, you are going to see the scope execution policy here. You can see the current user now has a remote signed policy defined to this. So it means if you have this, that means what this should work now. So let me just clear my terminal, then run my command again. So we go for npm install. Now you can see it has started working now. So this is how you solve this issue. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.